Hello and welcome to another video. In this one I just want to show you how to mark a shop or a building as vacant, because that's a huge topic at the moment. And I've done a survey today using Street Complete and just leaving notes on the map, which I find the best solution for me to use, because you can add notes to exactly the building that you're looking at. And it's very helpful to have all the house numbers done, so thank you to myself for doing that earlier during lockdown. That came in really handy. And I did a bit of Magdalen Street, Dublin Road and John Street, but I'm going to focus only on John Street here. So you see the notes here if you don't know how to get them. Obviously you go to openstreetmap.org and on the right hand side in the layers you can tick the box for map notes. Now they're gone, now they're there. And then I find it easier to open a second window so I can switch in between the windows to see where the notes are and where I'm on the map. And I'm going to start with number 19. I think there wasn't a number on the door, but it's next to number 20 and it goes up on John Street. So there's the note and it just says 19 vacant and it's the whole house. It's where Lewis's used to be. It's a blue house and I think the whole house is vacant. It might have changed ownership, but nothing is happening there. So you just mark the house, because the whole building is vacant. It's not just the shop inside. Just mark the building. And you see all the tags that it has already. And you just add vacant. Yes, that's all it is. And you see there are different possibilities. Yes, shop, disused, rental, restaurant, pub, probably. Clothes, shoe, sell, no. So I usually just use the vacant yes for this job. Next one is where Longs used to be. So I think it's these two buildings and they're both vacant. So I can just mark both of them and then vacant yes. And just to mark also that there's a shop in there, I'll just add a node. Use the point, add a node, and type shop vacant. So then when there is a shop moving in, you can just change the type of shop that's in there. Number 77 is also vacant, number 78 is also vacant. So I'll just do the same thing as I did earlier, vacant, yes. There's this Molly's Cafe and it looked closed today and I can't find opening hours on Facebook for them. So I presume it's gone, closed forever. There's no opening hour sign and I'll just mark this building and add vacant probably. Because maybe they're only open on the weekends. That's that one. I'm just going to mark all of these as done. Sorry for the zoom out thing. And number 3 and number 8, John Street Lower, are also vacant. So I think the tattoo place is closed. It looked very neglected. So I'm going to change shop tattoo to shop vacant. Like there was mail, unread mail in the window and stuff like that, so I presume it's closed for good. And number 8 is also vacant. Number 8 is here. So vacant, yes. And I can add the city as well while I'm at it. And I'll just save all these changes. Added vacancy. And as a source I'll give notes. And then I can add an exciting hashtag, which will be Derelict Ireland. Yay! And I'll just wait a couple of minutes and then run the overpass turbo query. So here we have the query on overpassturbo.eu. And this is what I've done here. I'm looking for buildings that have a vacant tag and for shops and nodes and ways, not relations, because I don't think there's going to be a lot of relations in it. So you see I also did Dublin Road, and there's this corner building in... This street does not have a name. It's not so far from Winegap Cottage. So okay, I'm just going to run this now. I've also added it to Hebron House, but it's not defined as being within Kilkenny, so it won't come up. So I'll just run this query, wait a few seconds. There we go now. So that's John Street Lower done. I didn't go further up. There might be more up there, but now you know how to do it. You can just continue on and add vacant shops and so on. I hope that's useful for you. I don't know how many mapping anyone has done before this, so I'm just gonna presume you know a bit of how to do it, and if you don't, I've done other videos on that, so just go back in the playlist to the very first videos and just check there. Okay, bye, thanks.